people passing through, not staying.
I mean, the arch.
Right.
I didn't think about it. It didn't attract me here. I mean, I was attracted by it. I've been up in the arch, though. And it's very nice from up inside. But I like the tornado idea. Like, that Kansas tornado idea is going to be very impressive. Maybe people will be thrown around Kansas by that.
Right. And some people parachute through the arch.
That happened, really?
Oh, yes. Come back on 4th of July.
See, that's my point. So a rich man could go to St. Louis before he could go to heaven, is what you're saying.
He could try.
Nice to meet you, Judd. Thanks for coming here. Judd Miner, Chesterfield, Missouri. Jonathan Sanders from Ferguson pretty much does nothing. And I want to see how he does it, because I would like to. Oh, he's in back here. Okay. Can I get you? Keep me down here, Jonathan. Let's see what kind of nothing you do. Well, I would go this way if I were you. I don't know. The branch is a little confusing here at this point, because it's a little hard to get around it. Oh, there, good. Take one more step, so we'll be the same height, more or less. How are you?
A little tired, but
Working last night?
yes, I was.
When?
I don't remember anymore.
Where are you working?
At a gas station.
Which one?
Conoco.
You don't actually go out and service the cars anymore, do you?
No, I kind of sit inside.
Sit aside and people pay you, and so what do you? That's what's wrong with that? That's decent.
Well, you'd think so.
I mean, are you saying it's not all glamour?
No.
But in the old days, I mean, you would have had to go out there, flip the hood, check the oil, wash the windshield wipers, put the gas in the car. You did that? You remember those days? Oh.
I guess I'm living a lie then. I don't really know.
Your teeth straightened?
Yes, but I'm willing to sell out.
You can't just straighten your teeth and forget about them, you know?
Keep the treetop moving.
Jonathan Sanders, keep in mind. Jonathan, nice to have you here. Thanks for coming to the show. He's a good man. How are you, sir?
One day this will all be a lake. That Sea Island's horse stable right there. This whole road I'm fixing to drive on will be a lake when they dig it up.